Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you my Super Chisel Markers. I will unbox them and also I will give a quick review of them. So before starting this video, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you are a follower or a subscriber of my channel, then you would know that I upload videos every day. But from 3 to 4 days, I was not uploading any video. Do you know what's the reason? Because my half-yearly exams are coming and I'm really very busy these days. And also, my exams are starting from the next week. And in the next week, I want to upload videos every day. So that only I was preparing the videos I was recording and all the things I was doing. So that next week, you will get video every day. Okay, so now let's begin unboxing the Super Chisel Markers. Okay, let's unbox. Total there are 10 colors, 10 markers you can see. The price you can see given ₹100, but the actual price means the price taken when I bought was ₹90. These markers are also available in Amazon. I will give you the link in the description. You can surely visit the website, and if you want, you can buy from there, or also from a local shop you can buy. Now let me give you all a quick review. First, let's start with the lines. So with this chisel markers, if you will hold like this and then if you will do like this, then you can see a thin line. You can also draw a thick line. So just hold it like this and draw. You can see the difference. You can draw many lines, thin, thick. Many lines you can draw with these chisel markers. They are best for lining and bordering too. Borders also you can do with these markers. Coloring also you can do. You can write anybody's name in block letters. They are very suitable for these uses. You can see I wrote subscribe. So this was today's video, quick review and a quick unboxing. So I hope you guys like today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye guys. Thanks for watching.